With a common denominator.
And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Let's talk about something important. Put that coffee down.
I'm not here to waste your time.
Where else you gonna have this much fun?
You the man. You the man.
Todd Father.
Show me the money.
What I've been doing, had to triple my bag. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Yeah. Had to triple my bag.
60% of the time, it works every time.
That doesn't make sense.
Well, it's no trick to make a lot of money. All you want is to make a lot of money.
Hey, what's going on? What, 11:24? Good morning here in the Midwest. Stock's getting a little sloppy here. Why I wanted to get live? Because you know I've been looking for bearish stocks. We've got the Dow down 170, or S&P's down 11. NASDAQ showing some outperformance, but back to unchanged after being up strong. So, as you know, I've been looking for stocks still lower. Crypto, I thought would get drugged down. That's happening. Bitcoin 25,862. Ethereum 1634. Showing a little underperformance, down 2%. Litecoin 65.55. SOL showing some weakness, 20.48. INJ 721. BNB 204. We sold that at 240 and change. So we sold Bitcoin at 29.1. So saved ourselves a lot of pain and sorrow there. Sold Ethereum 1831, 200 higher. Sold SOL at 23.21. I think all those levels are correct. So been on the sidelines waiting for buybacks. And again, the SPY, same thing, looking for lower. Let's go into the bigger chart here. This is the SPY. Everybody knows I'm looking for an oversold technometer. We've got it down at 40.92 currently. So hopefully still, I'd like to see a new low for this move. So take out Friday's low. That would be what I prefer. So let's watch for that. And then I would be bullish for some type of recovery rally of the recent decline over the last 6 weeks or so. Here's the QQQ. Same type of thing. You can see technometer 41. Again, like to see something testing that previous low. Prefer another new low, but that might not happen here. TLT is what's providing a little bit of the bearish sentiment. With Jackson Hole coming up here Friday. You got NVIDIA's earnings tomorrow after the close. There's a TLT, which cannot put a rally together. Technometer was oversold, but now we're back to 45.75, so not good action on treasury rates. Let's go through a couple stocks here real quick. What's up, Bamboo? Here's the XLE I've been talking about. Been long from June 26 on the last oversold technometer. We did get down yesterday to oversold as well. So I'm going to mark that as another buy point. I have not doubled up. You see here, I was kind of looking for an ABC down. So I thought maybe if the S&P falls, maybe XLE comes down one more time. So let's look for something like that. But I think XLE, XOP, all of those, Chevron, ExxonMobil, all those are still headed higher. So you can definitely be on those if you like. Let me save that here real quick. Let's go back to a few other stocks. I mentioned Cisco. That's one I still like, not pulling back. So you can see here still at the highs. That one stays extremely strong. Palo Alto, I mentioned before the earnings. I did not grab it. It is having some weakness today, so that one might set up okay here. I think that one could be bought here shortly. Again, I've talked about AVAV, AVAV. We've had a pretty good triangle here in AVAV, and I think that 91, 92 level's holding. We're 93.56, so again, we haven't bought that, but we're watching it. LSTR. Down here, 186. This is as low as it's been here in a while. We've had a couple accumulation phases. It is back to previous resistance, falling into it a little bit, but we are oversold. So that one, again, I could be interested in. What's up? Hasta la vista. Wingstop, I am long. I've not mentioned that because it has pulled back some here. Acting a little bit better today. I like this chart here. Same type of thing. You can see the Wyckoff labels. Possibly jumping a back up here. So we're watching that for some strength. Anything above that 169, 170 level would probably look pretty good on Wingstop. So those are a few I'm looking at right now. CRM, let's go over that one. That's one I sold higher from my private client group. That one also could be pulling back for a backup. So we'll watch that one over the next week or so. Now let's slide over to the crypto software. You can see here we got Bitcoin in front of us. You see Technometer is down to 39.95 today. OP's hitting new lows. So still sell pressure on Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. You'd expect that with what's going on here. So again, I'm going to expect a little bit lower on Bitcoin. Ethereum, same type of thing. Technometer 40.98, new lows on the OP, so still some sell pressure. Would like to see that technometer down closer to oversold. So we're still going to be looking for that. We're going to slide over here as we usually do and look at some Elliott wave then. Here's what I think possibly is the current Elliott wave count. You see 5 waves up. Hold on here, let me show a different one. That one still could be as possible too, but this chart's marked cleaner. Here's purple, 5 waves up. Probably completing an ABC. I'm showing it. I think we still, as I've been mentioning, still a little bit lower. I wanted that 24.8 level to break away. It basically did there on that smash, but I think maybe we could see another try at that 24.8 level. Then that could be a completed correction and ready to go up, or we could see some more ABC type action and be sideways, mostly sideways for a few more months, or sideways slightly lower. So that's something we want to look at. Again, 5 waves up. Now we're in correction mode. Dollar's been much stronger than I would expected. So again, we could continue sideways here. Indeed, June ID says, when do I expect reversal? I mean, I think stocks will give us a buy here in the next 2 or 3 days, 4 days. And probably that'll give us a low in the crypto as well. So that's kind of what I'm looking for. And at that point, could be looking for
Bye, bye, bye!
A little buy, buy, buy. But Bitcoin down. If we get another breakdown below that 24.8, probably going to get a little bit scary short term. But
I've got balls of steel.
We will have balls of steel. So so far, let's go here to the crypto bubble. You can see here today what we got. Comp up 4.4%, leading the rally. H-bar down 5.3, Matic down 3.9, CRV down 4.4, KAVA down 3.8. So nothing earth-shattering there. That's for today. For the week, we've still got Rune up 8%, Pepe down 22, Ape down 28, AKT up 30, SHIB down 25. SHIB's definitely giving it up here short term. So we'll watch those. Same type of thing. If we go to the stock bubble, we've got HAS up big. We got Lowe's up about 3.9%. We got Moderna up 3.65. Nvidia's down 2.77. A little bit of reversal today. Everyone worried about tomorrow's big earnings. That's going to give us what we need. I would hope Nvidia maybe would come in. Maybe at estimates are a little bit below and get slapped. That'll give us a good sell-off into Jackson Hole Friday, and then see if we can try to fall apart here and give us the buy signals I'm looking for. Be what I'd like to see. Again, I'm a registered investment advisor, so let me run a quick disclaimer here. Do your own research.
There is a high degree of risk involved in trading cryptocurrencies. Our thoughts and ideas are for entertainment purposes only. Please consult your personal advisor or do your own research. Past results are not indicative of future returns. Thanks.
MC or MD June ID, let me give you a wrench here real quick. Since you're asking some decent questions, add you as a moderator, get you the blue wrench. That'll be interesting here because if we bring up Bitcoin dominance, I tweeted this yesterday at Wyckoff on Crypto. We go to the daily chart on the dominance. We're actually having a nice little backup here on the chart. So that would say, hold on here. Click the wrong chart again. Let's go back to Bitcoin dominance. There's a possible chart. Now, if this is a backup, that means Bitcoin's going to flex again, and all season's not yet upon us. So I'm not sure. That might be institutions coming for Bitcoin here. So we'll have a Bitcoin outperformance again, and then later we'll have a strong alt season. So I'd expect Bitcoin to lead the way. Alt still maybe rebound from here, but I don't think we're going to have alt season quite yet. Anybody got any coins they want to look at here? Maybe give me a list if you got any stocks or coins. If you don't mind, I'm going to grab a water. I'm going to run a minute and a half commercial on the Wyckoff Unleashed course. Then I'll be right back. If you got anything you want me to look at, post it up. I'll jump on them when I get right back here.
Welcome to the Wyckoff Stock Market Institute. Our institute was founded in 1931 by technical trader Richard D. Wyckoff, one of the titans of technical analysis. Wyckoff SMI has been the leader in teaching technical trading for the past 91 plus years. Thousands of traders have chosen to learn at Wyckoff SMI for its proven trading techniques and invaluable proprietary market indicators. Enroll today in our Wyckoff Unleashed online course and get access to 39 lessons and quizzes, 8 hours of lectures, our 559-page book, and a comprehensive final exam. You will also receive 90 days free to our Pulse of the Market charting software, as well as our Pro Traders stock groups. One of our alumni says, "In 1956, I became a Wyckoff SMI student under Bob Evans. By learning the Wyckoff method of trading, many have learned to trade intelligently and successfully. Keep up the good work." Or from another, "I value the training I received 4 decades ago from the SMI. Why wait? Register and begin your journey to becoming a successful trader investor. To get the best experience, download our Wyckoff SMI app and get started today."
All right, we're back here. Stock charts, UA's in front of us, Roger. If you wanted Under Armour, not much to brag about there. Definitely an underperformer. 2023, knocking on new lows here. Technometer is oversold down here, but can't get too excited about that one yet. I mean, we're testing that selling climax down there at 575. Maybe could spring this level here at 630 or so. So maybe okay to nibble, but Wyckoff definitely likes to buy strength, not weakness. So not much to add there. Palantir, that's one that was pushed there at the highs around 21 on some analysts liking it. Again here, I mean, I probably would be interested in looking at this one. Technometer 38.3. Hold on, let me get the rest of my indicators to load here. Again, I think probably that's a backup. I mean, I still would have liked that 1359 level or so to get taken out to be a strong buyer. But that's one I think could be interesting. So I probably would nibble on that one. RIOT's been a total dog here, unbelievable. New lows, 1056. Again, you can see here, we bought at that 1040 and sold 1530 or something. I know we made about 44%. Didn't expect it to get this low. We was oversold 2 days ago on Friday. That's one we're looking to buy, but just have not pulled the trigger yet. So we'll watch that one. Tesla, had posted that Friday we had gotten oversold on Tesla. So that's given us a little bit of bounce. We're minus today for the day. So first oversold reading on Tesla all year. That was Friday. So that one maybe is one that's trying to bounce. Again, I'd like to buy everything a little bit lower. So MicroStrategy. Go to the 1 year chart. You can see what looks like accumulation phase. Again, hopefully this is the backup. We are getting a little deep. We are oversold, or close to oversold. We didn't actually give us a 38 reading, but definitely close. That's the one we're waiting. While we're here, we'll go to coin. For the patreon.com/learncrypto. Nick had sold that at 105, the day of the highs. Just bought it back today at 76.02, I believe. Nick's not in here. I think he bought it today at near the highs at 76.02. That was about 30% cheaper than where he sold it, so he got to increase his bag. Again, that's falling back into the trading range, but I think that one's one also buy today or buy here next couple days could be okay. Let's go to crypto now. Here's Litecoin, Tether, Binance. Last few oversolds did not work. This one's got much weaker than I would expect it. I mean, you can see the OP continues to hit new lows. The price is now following. So I didn't buy that recently because I wasn't liking the action and with the happening. But that's one that, again, I'd buy when I actually end up giving a buy on Bitcoin and Ethereum, SOL, BNB, Ripple, some of these here in the coming days, hopefully. But nothing too excited yet. GLMR, I don't think that's in my software. I'll check here in a minute. If not, I'll try to add. Here's SOL. One that I mentioned last time I was live that it looks like it's trying to hold up here. Dotted line could be a last point of support. So something like that still I think could be okay. We did get oversold on the way down on the smash. We're still oversold. So sold that at 20, 23, 21, I believe it was. Looking to buy that back here cheaper. The GBTC discount I don't pay a lot of attention to. I thought that ruling was coming today. But, I mean, I'd be trading that one if you would like to, because I think that will narrow at some point. Haven't done it. GRT, Tether Binance. Definitely some underperformance still this year. New lows in the OP. Not much to add after that spike high. Again, I would try to buy it when I have my next buy signal if you want to do that. Do your own research. Blur USDT I'd have to add in my software because it takes so much data because everything I'm doing is based off 5-minute data that I have to add coins to it. I don't have the full scope. Obviously I do on TradingView, but I would want to see my Wyckoff indicators placed on it. So that's why no comments yet at the moment. I will go to a different screen here. Here's Link. I wanted to bring it up real quick because I have some people in the Discord been asking about it. That one's got new lows in the OP. Even today, while price is holding, we're coming down to oversold. Link is one of those I think could be a decent one on the way back up. Here's the Hook daily chart. Again, not much I can really add there on Hook. Then we're going to go to Blur. We're going to do Blur Tether OKX. That's the daily. Let me go to the 4-hour. Again, one under stress. So all I can do is buy that one again when I feel comfortable. Enter Bitcoin, etc. Nothing exciting on that one. Here's Doji, Tether, Binance. What's up, Sebastian? Got oversold on the smash down there to 55, 41.2, new lows OP. Again, not interested in entering these crypto quite yet. Would like to see a little bit more downside. Dow down to 112, just rallied 50 off the low. S&P down 2, was down what, about 12. NASDAQ up 38. So again, need to get NVIDIA's earnings behind us Wednesday after the close. Need to get Jackson Hole. See what they're talking about at Jackson Hole. And kind of go from there. I thought Nick was going to jump in here. He didn't. We're set up to do duo shows through my Wirecast Rendezvous, showing screenshots, everything. So we're glad we got that set up. So hopefully Nick will get free to jump in and do that here sometime. That is all I've got. As usual, I'm going to run a couple commercials. I own WyckoffSMI.com, the original institute started by Mr. Wyckoff. Our sister site, LearnCrypto.io. Manage crypto assets through trading APIs. I manage stock assets at Charles Schwab. So Patreon.com/LearnCrypto if you want these trades real time. Appreciate it, Roger. So again, a couple commercials on the crypto Discord and probably my private client group for stocks at Schwab. And then we'll be on here, I'm guessing, sometime tomorrow. See you.
Warren Buffett, American investor, business tycoon, and one of the wealthiest people in the world, once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." But how is that possible? Well, knowledge is power. In 2020, it is no longer news that cryptocurrencies are the currency of the digital future. Bitcoin stability amidst unprecedented global economic impacts from COVID-19 has proven once again that crypto is here to stay. Learning how to trade, when to trade, and where to trade crypto assets can make the difference between success and failure. At LearnCrypto.io, we offer a pathway to sustainable and lifelong wealth by helping open-minded beginners and experienced traders navigate the thin ice of the cryptocurrency markets. Live shows, interviews, coin reviews, fundamental analysis, predictive trading bots, and open chat access to a community of real traders. These are just a few of the benefits you'll receive with a membership on patreon.com/LearnCrypto. Sign up today if you strive to build yourself a brighter tomorrow.
Do you personally invest or trade stocks? Then you'll want to gain access to our private Discord channel. By subscribing to our pro traders at WyckoffSMI.com, you'll receive individual stock suggestions based upon the Wyckoff method, review possible trade setups, as well as receive emails when any trade suggestions are given. But if you're too busy to manage your own stock portfolio, consider our private client group at our registered investment advisor, Black Bay Capital Advisors. You'll get the personal touch while we manage your stock portfolio for you through the trusted custodian, Charles Schwab. For an annual fee, you'll have more time to enjoy life while we focus on growing your portfolio. We'll be on the same side of the table, working to help you secure your long-term financial goals.
We'll see you all again. Sleep tight. Let's see.